There's nothing worse than starting a project and getting everything together and then realizing mid-project that you don't have everything you need. So today, before we start installing the other cabinet lights, what we're gonna do is we're going to bench test it. We're gonna put all the pieces together and see if we're missing anything. And if we are, we'll order it. But I think with what we have here, which is the wiring, that's what we're gonna test. The trim and everything that goes under the cabinets, that stuff is pretty basic. It comes inside of a kit. I made sure all the pieces are there. So as long as all those pieces are there, it should be fine. Let's bench test these things, make sure everything works, and then when we install it, where it belongs. Forever. So from my understanding, all I gotta do is plug this in and hit the switch and it should turn on. It works. Turn it off, turn it on. Is dimmable. I have decided to put the driver inside the cabinet on the top left corner. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be drilling a hole through the side of the cabinet, plug into the outlet where the refrigerator plugs in, and then it's gonna move up to plug it into the LED strip. Now that I finished the wiring, it's time to start doing the housing. Two important details that I want to share with you guys when it comes to installing the housing and choosing a housing. Number one, I choose the 45-degree housing, as you can see. The 45-degree is the one that goes on the top corner. The reason why I choose this one is because the light shines out and down. If you use the one that goes right in the top, shining down, you're gonna have a line here with no light on top, and it only shines down this way. It doesn't shine out this way. That's my preference. You could put whichever one you like. When installing the housing, each of them come in 3 feet long. If this is 6 feet, you just need 2 of these. You just install it and there's no problem. Some people do that, I don't. What I like to do is cut the housing at least 4 inches off, so that when you put the housing and another housing next to it, you're able to overlap the lenses like that, and you can put a housing right here, and the lens will hold each other together. It's not structural, you won't be able to move it around and stuff. You'll break the lens, but that's one of the tricks that I use to make it easier to put these things together. So now that you guys know that and what I'm using, it's time to start installing this. So that's it. It's all done. The under cabinet lights are installed. As you guys saw, it was a little bit difficult in this top corner over here, but we got it done. We were able to solder it. We were able to mount it, screw it in. All the wires are hidden, and it barely looks like we did anything in the kitchen. And the best part is that this is the remote. Everything is behind the refrigerator, as you guys saw, and all we have is a remote. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be mounting it here, but that was one of the things that was missing. I can show you that in a later video, but now it's time that you guys see the kitchen with the under cabinet lighting. It just brings life to the kitchen, and I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I hope you guys learned a lot. I'm happy that you guys are here with me. If you want to see more projects like this, there's a couple of other things I have to do in the kitchen. The next video is going to be demoing the rest of the basement, and I hope you guys are there to see it. Consider subscribing so you can see the videos that are coming out. If you like what you saw, give it a like. And if you have any questions, any comment, please leave it in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks.